Hello everyone, this is Darya from Kaya Academy. Welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. Today we have this amazing app called Cut It. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna cut it down. So let's wait for it to load. This is an amazing app it's a game. I played it a couple of times before, but it wasn't on my phone, but I never thought I would download it. But here I am showing you guys how to play that. Let's cut it down. Collect all the stars. Cut it. Okay. This is amazing, right? We can get a hint, or we can actually skip. Keep it up. It's nice, right? Isn't it? Wow, this one is hard, man. Wow, I got it now. I got it. Woo! I'm smart. So from here, let's play this game today. Ba, 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 ba. But only two. It's because we took two modes. Choo. I'm smart and I know this business. As you can see, I know this business. So as you want to know, like, if you don't think you did your best, what you can do is you can, at the top right corner there's this restart button. You can choose that. I don't know, so I want to get a hint. Show a hint. Okay. Wow, didn't came to my mind. What? That's what I should have done. So I'm gonna say replay. That's amazing. If you want to get a free hint, by the way, you can just click on the free hint, but you have to watch an app. That's how you're gonna do that. I love this game. You just don't want to let it go, right? Oh. there was always has to be an ad. So this is the last one I am going to play. Oh no 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 no! Wow. And just wow, to actually go to the other level, you also have to take the other one. You cannot just take one. But I'm gonna replay. Yes, guys, yes, I did it. I knew it. I could have, and I did it. So that was good. How many? Let's go back. So we cut it down. We're in the level 17. As you can see, we have 84. Wow, we have a lot of them. Raspberry, orange, mint. For blueberry, we have to become a premium. For emerald 2, salmon, Cali, vanilla, honey, olive, taffy, sky, carrot. There's more exclusive than there is for free, and I actually didn't like it. To be honest, didn't like it. Okay, whatever it is. So, by the way, like, you can just click to this or click to that to go down to the app, or you can click to this one in the middle to go to which level you're at. You can choose hardest mode. You can go and play the daily challenge too. So I think this is a fun game and you guys would love it too. So I think you should go and download it and let me know how you liked it. Did you like it? So also, let's see, we can turn them off or turn them down, but there's no dark mode. So okay guys, I think you like this video. If you like this video, go hit the like button. If you like this video and found it helpful, go and like that button. Go and hit that button. But if you like this video and found it helpful and you went and liked that button, hit that like button, go and hit the subscribe button too, so we can see each other in my next video. See you guys in my next video.